Yeah, it was like, oh no, that was like the turtle.
Come on, Rosie, come on.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's ball we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in city light when it's day and night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart when it breaks so hard.
Rosie.
Your first cappuccino. Rosie, you're gonna have a good day today. Sit.
Good girl, Rosie. A papachino. Put it on the floor. Good girl, Rosie. She took the whole cup. Rosie.
She's mine. Don't take it away.
Babe, she's eating the cup. Get her.
Rosie. Sit.
Come here, Rosie.
Oh, look at my pants.
Oh, it's a little too much, alright? We'll get you another one soon. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm Brian. I'm Brian.
And outside out.
Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going to the dog beach. And as you can see, this one already had her morning caffeine, her little puppuccino.
She kind of messed up my jeans, but
Yeah, it's okay. She even left a big spot. But today's going to be a good day. We're going to have some fun, get some sun. We're in San Diego now, so
we should have fun today. She started with sugar, so hopefully she'll have fun at the beach. This is her first time at the beach, so we'll see how she likes it. Look at her.
yeah, she left my fingers on. Ew.
Rosie.
Good girl. But yeah, guys, we're going to go to the dog beach. She's going to get some fun in the sun.
That way she comes back tired and you don't really have to deal with her.
You ready to go to the dog beach? You ready to go to the dog beach, Rosie? Alright, guys, we'll see you guys in a bit, okay?
Bye.
Rosie.
Rosie. Bam! That's what I have to deal with while I'm eating a cake pop. Dang, you can't be gentle. Come on, Rosie, let's go.
Come on, Rosie.
Good girl, come on. Hey, baby.
Rosie, we got a surprise for you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, we got Rosie in the back seat. We're all ready to go.
Yes.
We're on our way to the dog beach over by Coronado.
We got her food, we got her water, we got some toys. And hopefully she doesn't throw up on her way over there.
Yeah, she doesn't do too good in car rides.
It's pretty bad. As you saw, she hates going in the car.
Rosie, you ready, Rosie?
Ready?
Yeah. First time going to the beach with her, so we'll see how it goes. See you guys in a bit. Rosie, we're here. Alright, baby, now we gotta find a spot to set up.
Spot.
You want to set up over here or over there? I think over there, no?
Yeah,
Come on, Rosie. I want to see how she feels standing on the sand for the first time. She's like, what is this? What is this? Alright, guys, we made it to the beach. Rosie and Side Out are over there. They're having a blast. Rosie's loving it. First time she's going to touch the water. But, yeah, we'll see. She's loving it. Oh my god. Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Come on. Come on, Rosie. Come on. She's a dork. Come on, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. Rosie, what are you doing? Come on, Rosie, look it, look it, look it. Come on, come on. Come on, Rosie, Rosie.
Go get it! Go get it! Go, Rosie, go!
She's more interested in the camera. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Rosie. Look at you.
Go play with your mom.
She is a mess. Rosie, look at you. Hi, Rosie. You're a mess, Rosie. Oh my god. Yeah, she's chasing herself. Good thing we brought the brush.
Oh my goodness!
Good girl, Rosie. Guys, she's having a blast.
Oh, she wants to play now.
She did a whole flip. She is a mess. She looks like her mom. And you got sand all over here on your cheek.
What's because of her?
Hi, Rosie.
Like that close, just like going out close. Stay away. Hey, help. Little one? Yeah, it was like, oh no, that one was like a girl.
Come on, Rosie. Come on, come on, come on. Rosie. Rosie.
Done.
Rosie, you okay?
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's a big fucking dog. I didn't realize how big they get. Rosie, you better not get that big. I know.
She's like, take me home. Rosie, seriously, I just cleaned your face. Rosie, I thought we were ready to go. Not yet. I need to dig my first hole. She's drying up a little bit. And sit. Here.
Good girl. Other paw, Rosie.
Other paw. Other paw. Good girl.
She's the best.
Sandy and everything.
Huh, Rosie, you sandy cheeks.
You have sandy cheeks.
You have sandy cheeks.
Might have sat on set.
Rosie had a good time.
My baby.
Baby, look how she gets, look how she gets. Dude, this thing is like, do the other side, do the other side. She's actually letting you right now, that's crazy.
I think we're gonna take her to go get washed.
Are we gonna stop and get sandwiches first?
We should, but I she's gonna.
Baby, close your eyes. Look at that. She got dirt there. She's stopped.
Dirt or sand.
Same.
I know. I have to correct you because sometimes you correct me.
Look.
Oh my
Rosie.
God! I'm really brushing through.
Rosie, no. Rosie, stop it. Stop it. Oh my God, Rosie.
Shake it
More
off.
sand, more sand, more sand, more sand.
Oh my God!
No, Rosie, stop. Stop. All right.
She's like, sand.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys once we get over there to like clean her off or whatever. No, Rosie.
She's hungry.
She ate a lot in the morning.
I should put the sand in there.
Very dark.
I'm chewing sand. I'm like chewing down like. You hear the little.
Oh yeah, I do it too. Yeah, for like 2-3 hours.
Hopefully she'll get back tired.
Yeah, she will. Look at her.
I mean, now that she's dried up, she's like having fun.
I know. Cause she. Hey, little buddy. Oh my God! All right, guys, we're trying to leave. We're trying to leave.
Who wants to come home? Rosie does it.
Good girl, Rosie. Guys, we're trying to leave. They keep coming.
Righty, guys, we're going to go get her a shower. Give her a shake? Rosie, give me a shake. Alright, guys, we just came out of the parking lot.
Yeah.
We're on our way to go give her a bath at this place called Unleashed by Petco.
It's our first time there. But from what I've heard, or from what we've been told, is for $15 you get to use one of their tubs. And
for as long as you want, basically.
Yeah, pretty
much. And they provide everything for you, so it makes it easier because I don't want to scrub the tub right now.
Yeah.
And she was pretty dirty.
Yeah, she was pretty dirty. We dusted her off as best as we could, but I mean, still, she needs a bath, and yeah.
And we met new friends, so
it's always good meeting new people.
Yeah, they told us about the place, so we're gonna actually meet them there because Rosie got along with their dog, so
yeah.
I told the girl maybe we can have more play dates and maybe you guys will see more of her and Luna. Oh, Rosie, she's tired. Look at that cute face. Look at that face. Alrighty, guys, we'll catch you guys there. Not again. Come on, Rosie, Rosie. You're gonna get a bath. You're gonna get a bath. I'm so scared. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna need a shower.
Hey, babe, stand on this side.
Oh.
Okay, so we got a little brush.
Rosie?
We got two brushes. We got one a little. Ooh, you're gonna like this, Rosie.
Scrub, scrub, scrub.
We got some towels for her. We got a puppy shampoo and a conditioner.
You smell good. You want anything?
Yeah, please.
Her hair's probably stood out.
Come here. Thank you, baby.
You guys want to open the door? Oh.
Yeah. Rosie.
We get the shampoo.
Actually, I really like this. Oh, she did it to us.
Good girl.
Yes.
Look how her hair's curly right here.
I know.
Push your ears.
Oh. You have a puddle over there? I just have dog hair all over her here.
Not even on the beach.
Oh my god.
I know exactly my favorite on that soap.
How'd you like your bath?
Love
Rosie,
it,
how'd you
love
like your
it.
bath, huh? Look at her hair's all fluffy. I love it. She still needs to dry off. She's just hanging out. Alright guys, we just made it home. Battery's about to die on the camera, but
I know.
we had a great day. We're about to go eat at Applebee's with the new friends that we made.
met. You probably see them in the video.
Rosie
is knocked out.
kinda. I don't know what she's doing. But yeah, she's tired.
She's tired, we're tired. We're about to shower, go eat, because we
Yep.
haven't ate since the morning.
Yep, but
This is for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy a dog beach day with her.
alright. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.